Hello friends, welcome to my English. Today I'm here to discuss yet another essay type, which is discussion based essay. It is also called discuss both views essay. Basically, this essay is quite common, quite important exam point of view, and in this lesson we will be taking a look at how do you look at or how do you address a question. If it is a discussion based essay, how do you analyze it? What is the structure? What points you should keep in mind while writing this essay, and a solved example of discussion based essay. Let's get started with it. Let's take a look at these questions. Some people think that zoos are cruel and should be closed down. However, others believe that zoos can be useful in protecting wild animals. So they've given you 2 points of views. You have to discuss both views and give your opinion. So usually you need 2 body paragraphs with each point of view and examples with details and opinion. So you can also have a 3rd body paragraph with your own specific opinion. Your opinion should also be included in the introduction because it is asking for the same. But if you feel that your opinion matches with one of the views, then you can club your point of view in the 1st or the 2nd body paragraph as well, depending on which stand you take. Another example for discussion essay can be, some people think that the best way to reduce crime is to give longer prison sentences. Others, however, believe there are better alternative ways of reducing crime. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Let's take a look at the structure of the essay. What you do first is you write the introduction, wherein you first of all paraphrase the question. You state both the views, that some people believe this, some people feel that. Then you write down the thesis statement with your opinion. What do you believe? And then you write down the outline as well. So outline is also important. Then you come to the main body para 1, wherein you write the topic sentence, which is the first point of view, explain it with a specific example with some supporting ideas, why you agree or you don't agree with it. Then come to the 2nd body paragraph, which is you begin with the topic sentence, which is the 2nd viewpoint, explain it with relevant examples and supporting details, and similarly why you agree or don't agree. So it has to be either of the two. And finally, you come to the conclusion paragraph, wherein you summarize both the viewpoints, restate your opinion. And 3 main body paragraphs version can be, some students find this easier to write. So what I mean to say is, you also write down the 3rd body paragraph, wherein you state your opinion separately. So the choice is completely yours, how you want to take it forward. Now let's come to this question, which is, some people think that the best way to reduce crime is to give longer prison sentences. Others, however, believe there are better alternative ways to reduce crime. So first viewpoint is saying that longer prison sentences is important. So in the first body para, you are going to discuss the advantages of giving a longer prison sentence. And in the 2nd body paragraph, you are going to talk about the other better alternative ways of reducing crime. But again, you have to give why you agree or you don't agree with that particular opinion that you have stated and explained with the example. And the first introduction paragraph is going to be paraphrasing of the question, stating both the views and thesis statement with the outline. And in the conclusion, you're going to summarize and restate your opinion. Now let's get started with writing that essay. Like I did in my opinion-based essay lesson, I did some color coding like I'm doing it here. So the first sentence is your paraphrasing. It is often said that longer jail terms are the most effective to decrease crime. Others, however, think, or another set of people believe, that it is possible to reduce criminal offenses using different methods. So I've tried to paraphrase the question statement. Next we come to I believe. So you're writing the thesis statement. I believe criminals should serve longer prison because the heavier punishment makes them think seriously about their wrongdoing, right? Then I come to the outline, which is the given essay will discuss both the views and justify my opinion. So I've done paraphrasing, written the thesis statement and written the outline. So all the 3 things done in intro para. Coming to the body para 1, I begin by saying on the one hand, to improve my coherence, right? Some people believe that stricter punishment is necessary, such as prolonged incarceration, in order to decrease the crime rate. Then I'm giving some reasons, because it gives criminal an opportunity to consider so and so. Then I'm writing the example. For instance, data from a London police think tank showed that crime rates of countries. So I'm quoting some data here. Then so maybe I can club my opinion with the first para also, and I can write it in the other para as well. In my opinion, I believe heavy punishment makes offenders consider their guilt. On the other hand, now I'm going to talk about the other side of the story, which talks about the different methods that we can use to reduce crime. So here maybe I can talk about, heavier penalties and something. Again, I've taken the example of UK government. A recent study of UK government showed more than 40 criminals tend to reoffend because they cannot integrate back into society. Hence, they need support such as education, job training to rebuild their life rather than spending years in jail. I think that helping them is essential to stop them. However, heavy penalties in serious cases must not be overlooked. Since I don't agree with it, I have again said that this could be only for petty crimes, that we can integrate them with education and job training. But important thing is that either you impose really heavy penalties or you put them in jail. So you're again disagreeing basically with this opinion, but still you are explaining it just for the sake of the question. And finally, you come to the conclusion, which is some people think that so and so. You basically paraphrasing it again, then you're restating your opinion. In my opinion, I hold the view longer prison time is essential for serious crimes, and that's how you conclude. So it is short and still explaining what you're trying to say. Some cohesive features that I've included in this answer is, in conclusion, on the other hand, in my opinion, for instance, on the one hand, it is often said, I believe, and so on, and thus I'm able to write a Band-Aid essay. So I hope this has helped you in understanding the discussion based essays. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll come up with the next lesson very soon. Till then, God bless. Bye bye.